Hello everyone and welcome back to mmWave. Today I would like to introduce you one of our newest product lines, the software control positioner for antennas. If you're involved in antenna testing, antenna characterization, research and development, or production testing, this system is designed to simplify and automate antenna positioning while improving both accuracy and repeatability. Instead of manually rotating an antenna and recording measurements by hand, our software controls the entire positioning process directly from your computer. This reduces setup time, improves consistency, and minimizes operator error. The system is ideal for antenna pattern measurements, gain testing, beam width analysis, and general antenna characterization. Each antenna positioner package includes a precision motorized antenna positioner, user-friendly control software, a heavy-duty tripod for stable indoor and outdoor operation. The antenna positioner and tripod are supplied as standard equipment. Because every antenna is different, mounting fixtures are available separately and can be customized for your specific antenna dimensions and testing requirements. Simply provide your antenna specifications and we can recommend or manufacture the proper mounting fixture. The included software provides complete control of the antenna positioner. You can manually rotate the antenna using simple directional controls during setup and alignment. The software displays the current antenna position in both azimuth and elevation while allowing precise movement in either axis. Home positions can be defined and recalled at any time, making repeatable measurements quick and consistent between test sessions. Now let's take a closer look at each section of the software. Let's begin at the top of the screen. The first section is the positioner connection. Select the COM port assigned to the positioner controller. If you're unsure which port is available, simply click Refresh Ports. Next, choose the communication speed or baud rate, which is typically set to 9600. Once everything is configured, click Connect. When communication is established, the software displays the connection status, confirming that you're successfully connected to the antenna positioner. On the right side of the screen, you will find the spectrum analyzer connection settings. If you are using a network connector spectrum analyzer, simply enter the instrument's host name or IP address along with its communication port. After clicking Connect, the software can automatically communicate with the analyzer during antenna scans. This eliminates manual data collection and significantly speeds up the measurement process. Now let's look at the manual motion controls. This section is primarily used during setup and antenna alignment. The directional buttons allow you to move the antenna up, down, left, or right until it's pointing exactly where you need it. The pan speed control adjusts how quickly the antenna rotates. For fine alignment, slower movement offers greater precision. For larger movements, increasing the speed helps reduce setup time. If movement ever needs to stop immediately, simply press the stop button. Once the antenna is roughly aligned, you can move it to exact angular positions. Simply enter the desired azimuth angle and select Go Pan. Likewise, enter the desired elevation angle and select Go Tilt. The Query Pan and Query Tilt buttons allow you to verify the current antenna position at any time. You can also define a home position. This establishes a repeatable reference point that the system can return to whenever needed. One of the most powerful features of the software is automated step scanning. Suppose you want to measure an antenna radiation pattern from -30 degrees to +30 degrees. The dwell time determines how long the system waits at each position before recording a measurement. This allows both the antenna positioner and the measurement equipment to stabilize. You can also choose the scan direction and optionally return the antenna to its home position after the scan is complete. When everything is configured, simply click Start Scan. During a scan, the software can automatically collect measurement data. Enable data capture. Enter the desired measurement frequency and specify a file name. The software records signal amplitude versus antenna angle and saves the information directly to CSV file. The resulting data can easily be imported into Excel or other analysis software to generate antenna radiation patterns, gain plots, and beam width calculations. Sometimes you only need a single measurement. The marker amplitude capture feature makes this simple. Enter the desired frequency and click Capture. This software reads the marker amplitude directly from the spectrum analyzer and stores the measurement for later analysis. The active trace capture feature records the entire spectrum analyzer trace instead of a single measurement point. The complete trace is saved as CSV file for later review. This feature is particularly useful for bandwidth measurements, frequency response analysis, and general RF testing. One feature many customers find especially useful is angles relative to home. Normally, scan angles are referenced to the positioner's absolute 0-degree position. However, during antenna testing, your antenna's actual bore site often is not perfectly aligned with absolute 0. Instead, you first align the antenna to the strongest received signal and define that location as the home position. For example, if your home position is 90 degrees and you request a scan from -30 degrees to +30 degrees, the software automatically scans from 60 to 120 degrees. In other words, the scan remains perfectly centered around your antenna's bore site. This greatly simplifies antenna alignment and produces much more accurate radiation pattern measurements. For most antenna pattern testing, we recommend enabling this option. Simply locate the peak signal, set that location as home, and perform your scan around that reference point. The mmWave software control antenna positioner provides an efficient, repeatable, and highly accurate solution for modern antenna testing applications. Whether you're measuring antenna patterns, gain, beam width, or performing general RF characterization, this system helps automate the testing process while reducing setup time and improving measurement consistency. To learn more about our antenna positioner system, software package, and custom antenna mounting fixtures, please contact mmWave today. Thank you for watching.